I'm going to show you a demonstration of the new Consumer Reports mobile shopper app, and I'm going to show you the key features and the way it can be used. So first, you're sitting at home, you've got your laptop, your computer upstairs, don't feel like getting up, but you're looking for a TV. What do? Grab your phone, launch the Consumer Reports mobile shopper app, and let's check out their ratings. We'll hit electronics. I know I want a TV, so we're going to go down to televisions, and I also know at this point I want an LCD TV. And I also know I want a 32-inch LCD TV. Now, here's the listing of all of Consumer Reports 32-inch LCD TVs. And let's check out this Samsung right here, and it's recommended. That means Consumer Reports, through its testing, has said it's recommended as denoted by this symbol right here. So the main page comes up, the main model page. We've got the this overall score, 70 out of 100. The price, you can see there. If you want to see a better view on what the product is, you can touch the image, zooms in, zooms out, and then we've got the meat of it, the expert ratings and testings results. So here is the ratings report card, and you can see these are the different icons that Consumer Reports uses to rate the products. In this case of TVs, the various different attributes of an LCD TV, and down here is a more qualitative review. CR's take and its highs and lows. The next section, this is the just general features and specs of the product, also meant to help the user to make sure it's got everything that they need in it. The next section, and these arrows are meant to bring the user easily through one section to another. This section here shows results, and there looks to be 5 results of different online merchants. So conceivably, you can just click on one of these and to decide to purchase the product online by going to their website. Now that you know which one you want, you'll see it comes up, and you can purchase from this site, for example. Go back to the app. The next section is a shop local section, where we look at the inventory of local stores to see where this TV might be, and we have one result here. You click on that, and we see here that this TV is available at Best Buy and Sears nearby. So this is where, if I wanted to buy it at one of my local stores, you see this icon here. It says in stock at 2 retailers, and it lists the retailers Best Buy and Sears along with the price, so I could drive over there and it should be on the shelf and I can pick it up and buy it and be a happy consumer. Next, as we continue to scroll down, we'll come to the brand reliability section, and so this here shows how the different brands that we've rated stack up against one another with regards to brand reliability, repair, etc. And as you can see here, the Samsung, that's what we're looking at, is kind of right in the fold there with the others. And then we've also, as with the ratings report card, we've got a qualitative kind of review here as well. The next section is our compare section, and this takes a second to load, and what this is going to do is going to display all the models that we rate and give the user the ability to compare. As you see, that just came up. So once again, we've got the ratings icons here. This is a legend in case the user forgot. Across the top here, we've got our the different areas by which we rate these TVs, and you can move that way. Here it denotes if the TV is recommended or not by our testers and editors. And then from here you can compare by checking these empty boxes. The model that you came in from is highlighted there in that brown, and then as I press the box to compare the other ones, you see it turns blue, so that tells me that I'm going to compare these 2 models, and then I just hit the compare button, and we'll see the others disappear, leave me with the 2 models that I wanted to compare. I could also go back to the model page, and then from there we also have buying advice. So what this does is, if I wasn't sure I wanted an LCD TV versus a plasma, this section is also from our experts and editors here. Different sections allows me to go through to find out, what are the key brands, what are the types, what are the features, shopping tips, etc. LCD versus plasma. So that is the model page. That is what we provide here. Now, a couple of the other interesting features are, once you know what you want and you're pretty sure, you can hit share. And what this does, this enables you to send an email out to friends in your contact book, or you can manually enter email addresses there saying, hey, I'm checking this out. Let me know, anybody have it, what do you think, get back to me. Or even more instantaneous, you can share via Facebook. And what this will do is you submit this will post on your wall on Facebook, and it's going to say, hey, I'm currently checking out this TV using Consumer Reports mobile shopper app. And then you've got this field here where you can enter your own text saying something to the effect of, hey, about to buy this, anybody have it, like it, don't like it, help me out. So it's just another way that the user can feel comfortable that they're making the right purchase. Another really cool way and sexy way to get product information for what you're looking for is to scan a barcode of a product right off the box. So if you see here the barcode icon there in our Consumer Reports icon, you can touch on that. The scan a barcode screen comes up, and it automatically launches, focuses, captures the barcode. You don't have to do a thing. It automatically does that. And then here you see the product page, just like we saw for that last Samsung TV, the same thing. This one actually, also a recommended model. This one also has user reviews. The Samsung TV did not. So when we have user reviews, we also display those when they're available. So this, even when you scan, you can see all the information that we saw, the ratings report card, features and specs, shop online, shop locally, the compare models. And we see here, there are 7 merchants selling it online, 7 merchants selling it locally as well. So that's the other way that we would anticipate users using it, is they're actually in the store, not on their couch, and they see something they're interested in, and they scan it, and they want to know if it's worth the purchase, and that's what we're trying to accomplish here. The share and save buttons are here as well. In this case, I've saved this product, and I go to my save button. So these are the products that I've saved for future viewing, kind of like a wish list type thing. After that, we've got the standard kind of section nuts and bolts that any good app should have. So we've got account information that lists your email address. You can input it here. Your Facebook login, you input it there. So when you share, the share functionality that I showed earlier, it automatically posts. You don't have to enter that information right there at the time. You can do it here. It stores it. We've got the subscription start and end date. We're going to offer this in 6 months, access to our thousands of product ratings, reviews, and buying advice, or 1 year's access version. So this was important there. We've also got our help menu. Because this could be complex, and we have explanations and helpful tips on all the different things you can do with the app. Also, my favorite part is a vintage photo gallery. So Consumer Reports has been around for 75 years, expert, unbiased product reviews and ratings, etc. And these are 40 some odd images from our history of our testing photos, with a little caption for each. And this is one of my favorite pictures. You tap on that, and it shows you this is how back in 1938 we tested perms. So this was just something that we thought was a little bit fun, that we wanted to include to play up a little bit of our history as one of America's most trusted brands. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the new Consumer Reports mobile shopper app.